Next problem. Y equal to f of x equal to tan 2x. First principle formula. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus fx by h. So tan 2 into x plus h minus tan 2x by h. Next, multiply with 2. Tan 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x by h. Next step, this h 1 by h. Write this tan function in terms of sine and cos. Sine 2x plus 2h by cos 2x plus 2h minus sine 2x by cos 2x. Cos 2x. Next, take LCM. Take LCM. Limit h tends to 0. 1 by h. This h. Take LCM. Cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Cos 2x. This term cancel. So multiply with this term. Sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into cos 2x minus, once again, limit h tends to 0. 1 by h. LCM cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Multiply these two and multiply these two. Cos 2x plus 2h sin 2x. This is cos. So this is sin and this is cos. Minus sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Observe the numerator. Cos A sin A cos B sin cos sin. This is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B formula. So limit h tends to 0. Sin A value 2x plus 2h minus B value 2x sin A minus B by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into h, this h, plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Limit h tends to 0. 1 by cos 2x plus 2h. Cos 2x into h, denominator. Numerator, sin 2h by 2h into 2h. Sin theta by theta into theta. This h cancel. Sin theta by theta value 1. So 1 into 2. Next, h tends to 0. So it is 0. Remaining cos 2x. Cos 2x into cos 2x. 2 by cos square 2x. Cos 2x into cos 2x. Cos square 2x. 1 by cos square equal to 2 into secant square 2x. This 2 is this one. 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square equal to secant square 2x. Next, sixth problem. Y equal to f of x equal to secant 3x. Secant 3x. So, first principle, dy by dx. First apply the formula. Secant of 3 into x plus h minus fx secant 3x by h. We don't know formula secant c minus secant d. So apply secant x equal to 1 by cos x. So this h is this one. Secant 1 by cos 3x plus 3h minus secant 1 by cos 3x. Take LCM. 1 by h into cos 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. This term cancel. So cos 3x minus cos 3x plus 3h. Numerator in the form of cos c minus cos d. Apply cos c minus cos d formula. Limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 whole divided by, write denominator as it is, cos 3x plus 3h cos 3x into this h. Next, 3x cancel. 3x cancel. Limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine 3x plus 3x 6x plus 3h by 2 denominator cos 3x plus 3h cos 3x into h remaining value c sin 3h by 2. So sin theta sin 3h by 2 by 3h by 2 into 3h by 2 sin theta by theta into theta. This h cancel. These two cancel. Sin theta by theta value 1. So minus see this place, c value 3x minus d minus 3x minus 3h by 2 plus 3x minus 3x cancel, remaining value minus 3h minus. So 2 cancel, h cancel, minus into minus plus 3 into sin 6x plus 0 by 2 cos 3x plus 0 cos 3x sin theta by theta value 1. Once again c plus d. Okay. Second part, c minus d. C value 3x minus d minus 3x minus 3h plus 3x minus 3x cancel, minus 3h by 2. So sin theta by theta into theta, h cancel, 2 cancel, minus into minus plus 3, 2 table, 3 times cancel. See last step 3 sin 3x by cos 3x into cos 3x, 3 into sin 3x by cos 3x tan 3x, 1 by cos 3x secant 3x, 3 sin 3x by cos 3x into cos 3x. Take sin and 1 cos, sin 3x by cos sin 3x by cos 3x tan 3x, 1 by cos secant 3x. Once again, first principle, f of x plus h minus fx by h secant 1 by cos secant 1 by cos. Take LCM, cos 3x minus cos 3x plus 3h, cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin c minus d, minus 3x minus 3h plus 3x minus 3x cancel. So sin theta theta value minus 3h by 2. Sin theta by theta into theta. H cancel. 2 cancel. H tends to 0. 6x by 2. Sin theta by theta value 1. Cos 3x. Cos 3x. Sin 3x by cos 3x into cos 3x. Take one sin and one cos. Sin by cos equal to tan. 1 by cos equal to secant x. Next, last problem. Y equal to f of x equal to cos square x. Cos square x. This is the last problem. First principle, f of x plus h minus fx by h. So substitute, apply the formula. Limit h tends to 0. Cos square x plus h minus cos square x by this h is this one. In the compound angles, sin a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square a. Sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square a. We apply this formula. This is b, this is a. So limit h tends to 0. Sin a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b by h. Cos square b minus cos square a. First is b, second is a. So sin a plus b, sin a minus b, multiply with minus. Limit h tends to 0. Sin 2x, sin 2x plus h, sin 2x plus h, multiply with minus. X minus x minus h by h plus x minus x cancel. Next, limit h tends to 0. Sin 2x plus h. We know that sin of minus theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta minus sin h, sin h by h. So sin theta by theta value 1 minus h value 0. So answer is minus sin 2x plus 0 into 1. That is minus sin 2x minus sin 2x plus x minus x cancel. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Sine theta by theta value 1. This minus is this. H value 0. So minus sine 2x. That is the answer.